Hello friends, today we are going to learn what is React and why we should use React. So basically React is a JavaScript library which is used for building the user interfaces, and it follows the component based approach. So the official website gives this definition. React is a declarative, efficient and flexible JavaScript library for building user interfaces, and it helps to create complex UI from small and isolated pieces of code called as a component. So here component terms are come in picture. So first learn what is components. So component is a independent and reusable byte of code. I will show you with example. So this is the React.js official documentation page, and if we see here, there are there are some sections are given, like the declarative, this one is a one section, and component base, this one is another section. Also there is one navigation section, this is the banner. So this one section we can call as a one component. This one is a one component, this navigation section is another one component. So this is called as a component, this one is one component. So creating these sections we use a React. This section might be, this component might be reusable. For example, if we consider this section declarative, component based, and this learn once write anywhere, these three are like the similar sections, only text are different. If we consider the header part, there is a similar color of header, the similar first letter is capital, only text are different. So in React we can create one component which have, we only pass the data to that component, and that component will render and handle the another part. So this is called as a component. Primary role of React is in website, it is a handle the front end or a view layer of the application, just like we in model view controller pattern. It's provide best and most efficient rendering execution. Before going to learn React, we have to understand what is HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript, DOM, ES6 and NPM. These are the basic things that we should learn first before jumping to React. So please, if you don't know this term, learn this first and then only go for React. And React is not a framework. Many people say confuse it is framework or library. So it is only library which is built for user interfaces, which is used for user interfaces, and many people call it as a react.js, react or react.js, all are same terms. Okay, so today we saw the definition of React, and another video we will see how to install React in our system. So we will install React and we'll start to learn step by step in practically.